So I'm trying to implement the new group policy administrative template in our domain controllers. So basically I'm in this page. So we have a lot of administrative template we can deploy to our server, so domain server. So basically what we need to do is we need a central store first. So the central store is on this location. So you need to create this kind of folder first, so then it will automatically checked by the server. So and you can have multiple of these policy definitions. Okay, so basically in my environment, here's my location, right? So here's the location, and we need to create a folder, new folder. So we paste here, so it's called policy definitions, and here then you need to copy all your policy definitions here. So for example, in this server, this is my local computer. So my local computer in Windows and the policy definitions, I have my local defined. This is my version. Okay, this is Windows 10 1909 version, so I can just copy and paste to this location. So then my current Windows group policy administrative template, they're all here available to use in group policy. Okay.